AI resists climate change. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the ability of artificial intelligence to resist climate change in the summer. As we all know, global warming has become a major concern for the world. It is not only affecting the environment but also impacting human life. In this video, we'll explore how AI can help us to overcome the challenges of climate change in the summer. To begin with, let's understand how AI can resist climate change. AI has the potential to analyze and process large amounts of data in real time. This ability can be used to monitor weather patterns and provide accurate predictions. By using machine learning algorithms, we can anticipate the impact of climate change on our environment and take appropriate measures to protect ourselves. One of the significant challenges during the summer is the energy demand. Due to high temperatures, air conditioners are widely used, which results in increased energy consumption. AI can help in optimizing energy usage by providing insights into energy consumption patterns. It can also suggest alternative energy sources like solar or wind energy, which can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Another critical aspect of climate change is the impact on agriculture. Due to changing weather patterns, crop yields are affected, leading to food shortages. AI can help in identifying the best crops to grow in a particular region, depending on the climate and soil conditions. By doing so, we can increase crop yields and reduce food shortages during the summer. Furthermore, AI can assist in managing water resources during the summer. Due to droughts, water scarcity is a significant issue in many regions. AI can monitor the water levels in lakes, rivers, and other water bodies, and alert authorities when water levels fall below a certain threshold. It can also help in identifying water leakages in pipelines, thus conserving water. In conclusion, AI has immense potential to resist climate change in the summer. By analyzing real-time data, it can provide accurate predictions and help us take appropriate measures to protect ourselves. It can optimize energy usage, suggest alternative energy sources, help in agriculture, and conserve water resources. AI is a powerful tool that can help us mitigate the impact of climate change on our environment and our lives. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.